peeps, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sabrina and the name of my channel is called Sweet with Envy, and I mostly do contents about travel, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like contents like that, hit the subscription button. Let's keep in touch. When I was in Jamaica, I stayed on the secret resort and I met this guy named Paul, and he makes like these little figurines, and Paul actually made these figurines. So I want to tell you guys about this unique idea that I did, and I think that you guys should probably think about doing it too. So videotape him. It was like okay guys, so I'm getting you guys each one of these, and I want you to meet Paul because he actually made these. Hey Paul!
How you doing?
Okay, so these are for Dr. Hudson.
Oh, Dr. Hudson, yeah.
Dr. Scott.
Dr. Scott.
Miss Ross.
Miss Rose.
Ross.
Miss Rose.
And Mr. Skate.
I miss the scape. And I made them. They're made from the red cedar. Yeah, these are all handmade. See, and we have Jamaica in them. So I hope you enjoy them.
Yeah.
They're all hand done.
Okay.
We use the stain to stain them to get the different colors.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure, we love them.
Yes. Okay.
Hope to see you someday.
Yes, at the secret resort.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
this
Nice
is Paul.
Up and running.
Yes. Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Alrighty. And I sent the video to them via WhatsApp. They absolutely loved it. I mean, the response that I got from them was as if I was bringing them back diamonds. The fact that you are supporting an entrepreneur, I think it's key. So yeah, so that's it guys. So when you go on vacation and if you're gonna buy something, oftentimes it's very easy to find people who are making the stuff that you're buying. So please let me know what you guys think. I think it's very unique. Yeah, so I did that, and I wanted to talk about it because I bought 4 little turtles, and the 4 people that I bought it for, they super love the idea and stuff, and they were so excited meeting Paul via video and stuff that I sent them. Okay guys, peace out.